I'm gonna give you a small demo uh, about a script plugin that I wrote to create IVs in 3 Max. I'm sure you're probably aware about the Ivy Generator by Thomas Doft. It's a great software, but it's a standalone program. And if you want to use something inside Max, you have to use the one from Guruware. But unfortunately, the development stopped on version 2018. So if you're using something newer than that, you are out of luck. So a while ago, I set up to port the C++ version into Maxscript, and this is what I end up with. So most of the commands are the same as the standalone version, but there are some exceptions that I had to add to optimize it, since it's super slow. I'll show you a little bit. You can see as the roots gets created, it just gets slower and slower and slower, and I only have 20 roots in it, so already super slow. So I'm gonna stop it. So while it works, it's just, I mean, on a real project it's impossible to use. It's just too slow. So what I end up doing was the parts of the script that are more processor intensive. I created a Maxscript extension in C++ to speed it up, and you can enable it by clicking here, but I'll show you in a little bit. I just want to show you something else first. The creation of the branches, that's Maxscript. There's nothing special about it. And then the thing that I like that is different are the leaves. You can create it as a mesh. That's just like the external application. You can use instances, or the one that I like the most is the one of using Corona scatter. This one is great. You have a lot of flexibility, and you can change the mesh if you want, the amount you want, the randomize the rotation, scale, etc. But the nice thing is that when I created the branches, I also added a vertex color, and by default I am using it on the scale of the leaves as well as on the switch. Where did I put it? Where is it? There you go. I'm using also on the density, so you can go and modify the colors to change the density. By default, the density is at the top of the leaves. You have the freedom to modify it as you want. Okay, now let me show you the difference between the Maxscript version and the C++ version. So if you activate this part, it's gonna use C++ instead of the Maxscript, and you can see that it is super fast. And the same here, just go and create the branches. Since now we have a lot more branches, it's gonna be slow. I'll probably end up doing this part on C++ as well. Previously I didn't show you. You can actually hide just the display or change the type. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna hide it for now. That's the leaves, and that's it. I'm not sure when or if I'm going to release it. It was just a personal project, but we'll see. I might release it eventually. Alright, thanks for watching.